Today we are going to learn how to download a video or picture from any website on the internet with just a few simple steps, and you don't need any extra site to download. So let's get straight into it. So what you are going to do is, first you have to have the website you want to download the thing from. So it could be any website at all, but there's a limit to websites where you have to stream like videos. Example, YouTube, Netflix, Crunchyroll, and Facebook. I think it should work on Facebook, yeah. But websites where you have to stream videos, it will not work. But for other websites to work, and this method, it's best for sites where you have to download maybe a picture or video and it has a watermark when you download it. You can use this method when you download it. There won't be any watermark. So the first one I'm going to show is how to do it to a picture. So to do it to a picture, you first have to open a site like this, and whichever picture that you want to download, it should be on the site. So you can clearly see here that there is a watermark here. So after we are done downloading, there won't be any watermark. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click it like anywhere on the site, and you get options like this, and you go down to inspect elements. When you go down to inspect elements, it should open up like this, and then you go to this side to explore more tabs, and you look and then you look for network. So when you find network and then click on it to open. So for this site, we want to download the picture. So to download the picture, you go to images, img, which also means images. Initially it will not load on the screen, depends on the site. So for some sites you have to reload. When you reload, all the images will come here. So we are going to try the reload. All the images are going to come here, and then this image that we want is also going to come here. So let's edit it again and download. So we are going to apply this one, that's what we want, then they will download it. So the new image is going to appear at the bottom of the page, so the last of the page. That's where the new image is going to appear. So every single image on that particular website, they are all going to load on this side, as you can see here. Yes. So now this picture right here, you can see it has a watermark here, but when we download it, there won't be any watermark. So you can actually preview the image that you want to download here, and here we are going to have a preview of the image right here. And to download the image, you're going to right click on the image you want to download and open a new tab. The image should open in a new tab, and then you right click again and you save the image. So you can save the image wherever you want on your laptop. That's it. That's how to download an image from anywhere on the internet. Now moving on to a video is also the same method. So here you can see I have Pixverse open, and if you download normally, there is going to be a watermark, but with this method there won't be any watermark. Yeah, so what you're also going to do, you're going to right click as usual, you go to inspect elements, but this time instead of img you go to media, and you just have to refresh your page. And every video on the site is going to appear on this side. So you have to wait and they will all load. Sometimes if they don't appear, you have to click on it, and then when it opens, it will appear at this side. So when it appears on this side, what you're just going to double left click, and to open in a new tab, you go over here, you wait for it to load. When it's downloading, then you just go over here and hit download, and that's it. Yeah, over here hit download, and it's also going to download, and it also downloads in high quality without any watermark. So this method is used to download videos from any site, and also sites where you have to download maybe a picture and video with a watermark, you're able to download without a watermark. So if you want to see more tutorials like this, you can check out more videos on my channel. Also, if you want to learn something, you can request down in the comment section, and when I make the video, I'm going to tag you in the video. My socials are also here if you want to connect with me or check out my other works as well. But then if you are downloading and there is still a watermark on it, and you want to remove a watermark from a picture or video, check out the video up here. Until next time.